to do the dubbing. Nakaka-enjoy eh. Sobrang iba yung feeling when you're dubbing and seeing all the other characters na kailangan siya pinag-uusap din pa at the same time. Even though I wasn't there shooting the film, it's still a different experience. It's my first time having to react to international actors din and iba yung pakiramdam. Iba yung pakiramdam.
Have another question from us.
Hello.
Hi, congratulations. My question to you is, were there chances na ikaw ay bata pa? Nag-try ka rin mag-dub ng mga favorite characters mo? Ano yung mga kaya mo ang boses na tinry mo tapos sabi, pwede pala yung
Nung bata pa ako, yung masishare ko ng kwento dyan was when I was little kid, mahilig akong mahilig kong kalimutin yung video camera, yung pay file, like work. I like to do stop motion. Is that what it's called? Stop motion? Well, I like to edit videos basically. Tapos, voice over pa in my computer, voice over pa yung mga ginagawa akong projects sa sarili ko. So I guess yun yung
You did not try to impersonate a particular cartoon character?
No, I never tried to impersonate. Maybe yung mga paborito kong cartoons katulad ni Courage the Cowardly Dog. Different cartoons, yeah. Yung bata pa ako, yes, I did.
Nag-record ka rin?
Yeah, I record myself para lang I was always curious kung anong tunog ng boses ko pag Mahilig ako mag-mimic.
My next question would be, when you heard about you being invited as the voice of Malcolm, did you also ask why was there a conscious effort for Studio Canales and KD Films to get a local voice? Samantalang yung kanilang mga Harry Potter series did not have to invite local talent to voice.
I didn't really, mas nangibabaw yung, cool, kasi I used to watch Paddington when I was little. It's very famous sa UK, pero they also showed it sa other channels in the States. So, mas nangibabaw yung excitement ko dahil napapanood ko siyang kids show and now having a motion. Mas cute. Mas nangibabaw yung excitement.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, our next question is from Nessa.
Hi, good afternoon, Miss Maurer. Hello. The audio wasn't so good earlier. I don't know if you've actually answered this question, but I just wanted to know if Studio Canal has actually done this before for any other movies, and if they did prove that including a local talent for a film such as this does bring in a bigger audience to the cinema.
Well, personally, I have not heard of any other movies that Studio Canal did it, so I'm not sure if it's the first time. But when we were doing this, and I've been asking people around, I think it's the first time here in the Philippines that we have had such a talent to be included in this big international production company, for them to approve a talent and be included in their movie. Because even if they say, or even if they have done it before, but this is just our second year and we had the opportunity to do so, I don't think we will have this event or even have Sian with us if he did not do a very good job. Because they needed to protect the movie. It's not just for anything that, hey, you can get your own voice talent wherever you are and then bring in the box office. It's not that. So as far as having a voice, a different voice for each of the territory, I think it's because it's the bear. No one can see the bear. So anyone can voice the bear. So why not tap a local talent? And for this really crossing our fingers, hoping that this opportunity can open doors for other talents to do so and be part of an international production company, even just a starting point, to show that we have the talent. Because the movie is now like gaining success worldwide. We hope to follow in the footsteps of Paddington. Because Studio Canal is very happy right now with all the things that we are doing here in the Philippines. They are very impressed, they're very amazed already. So we would like to continue the momentum.
Yes, just as a follow-up question, which other countries have done this for
I'm
Paddington?
just sure about France, but I know that there are other countries that just don't have the list because even before we got the approval for CN, they have already done their own dubbing in the different countries. And those are all approved by APA. They cannot proceed without those.
Okay, thank you.
Next question.
I need only for example, without spoiling anything sa movies, ano yung most memorable mo na part or scene dun sa pagdalaw mo?
Yung pinakaunang eksena, if you saw sa trailer po meron din yung when Paddington was looking at an orange. That's one of the first scenes sa movie. And I guess that's most memorable dahil yun yung time na tinatansya ko yung boses ko kung alin yung babagay. And syempre, so many things, I'm getting nervous. I don't know what kind of voice I'm gonna use. Pero at the same time, din naman, I did different variations. Pero yun, it's very memorable kasi it plays, it's parang, ano siya eh, young bear, flashback, may kind of flashback yung ano na yun. So, dapat ma-differentiate yung first scene to when he moves to London. So yun, that's the most memorable scene, the
How
first one.
about Troubled with Big Down? Ano yung pinaka-nahirapan ng ikaw sa mga scenes na...
I guess
Paulit-ulit yung ginawa.
I guess the challenging part is there's yung mga British how should you say it? There's parang British terms, yes, British terms na you have to say it so natural na only a guy from the UK can say it na sobrang natural. You know, I don't want to be just saying it just to say it kasi nandun sa Pilipinas, but I want to say it very natural. So inulit-ulit talaga namin ang sasabi ko, pwede. Approve ka. Yes.
My last question is, since you are the Paddington, you are Paddington right now, what are the similarities character mo sa kanya?
The similarities is he's very cute.
Aside from cute and adorable.
No, I didn't say cute. Pero pwede. Okay yun. Pwede. Cute. No, I was gonna say curious. The bear. Yeah, he's a very curious bear. And I guess the curiosity with how he is on screen, how Paddington is when he just stepped foot in London, na-invite ko rin yan while I was dubbing. So, sana you guys can hear it again. The curiosity is.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
Okay.